move to the shooting schedule. So here's Infestation 7 that we already did the breakdown for, and started breaking that down. You create a shooting schedule. This is when you go from just trying to figure out how many shoot days you need to have to actually what day you're going to shoot and when and how many, and the very specifics for getting things actually on set. So let's say we're going to start filming at 07 is when our first scene is. This is important. You don't, for indies, sometimes you don't want to do, you don't have to do this, but this one's really important to figure out. Okay, so 7 o'clock we need to do this. After lunch we're going to film this scene, this scene, this scene. If we're not done, then we have to move the last scene to the next day or to another day. So in scheduling, you figure out where all those things are, as well as if you're going to be moving sets. So if we're filming at this location, then we're moving to another location, you need to figure out the time and how, make sure you have allotted enough time to get through the scenes that you're going to film. Or if you're running out of time, you need to cut some shots and cut some setups and keep moving. Okay. So so shoot day 1 or film day 1, we are going to pick to be on the 29th of April 2020. We're assuming there is no virus going on and we're not all shut down. And the actual set location is going to be at 123 South Figueroa Street. Yes, yes, I filmed near there several times. So, okay, so this is when we started doing the breakdown. That fall from bed, well, that information then shows up right here. And then when we filled out the description, it fills in right here too. So, South Figueroa, we're just assuming all the way down South Figueroa. And then the next shoot, we're going to be on the 30th. Okay, cool. And that's going to be the location. We're going to go with 64. Yes, Virgil Street. That'll work. So we're pretending to film. And we'll start there at 7 a.m. We'll do 7 p.m. It's going to be a night shoot. 7 p.m. 7 p.m. And just so I can show you how the calendar works, we'll do this next one there on the 1st. No, we can't do the 1st. Because once you do a night shoot, you can't force people to come in the next morning. That's mean. And it'll get you sued. 5555. There we go. Yes, nice. I'm in LA, that's why it automatically assumes that I'm in Los Angeles.